What's up everybody, and welcome to the video and my channel. My name is Seth and this is Slack Tide Kayak Fishing. Thanks for checking it out. So today I am on the river. Ended up with a little bit of a mixed bag, so check it out. Alright, I know I've got a hole in front of me, so I'm just going to try making some casts. See if I can't hook up with anything. I think it drops down to like 20 feet here. Ooh, got something. Oh, that is tiny. Wow. Okay, that is what we've been getting bit by. A little micro white perch. Got something. Another. Oh my gosh. Foul hooked that one, but that's bait-sized white perch. I don't know, this spot just seems like it would be really good. You've got a nice deep hole here, some laydowns, good structure, but I'm not really connecting with anything. It doesn't seem like there's anything holding to the area. Maybe just some fish moving through every now and then. There we go, there's something better. A little slightly better. Not much better, but yeah, that's what we got here. Micro perch. Alright, I'm gonna move one. Alright, so I wasn't getting bit throwing the spinnerbait around, so I'm just going to try the 1/8 ounce jig with the 2.5 inch minnow again back in this deeper hole here in this creek. Ooh, I just got bit. It's a good sign. Look like perch marks, honestly. I'm just hoping I can find something, you know, some better panfish or something. Compared to those literally like 3 or 4 inch long perch. Because I'm beating this skunk so far, but I mean just barely with those fish. There we go, there's something better. Hey, yellow perch. That's cool. I don't catch them much. Love the colors on those guys though. Very pretty. Send them back. Hopefully we'll get some better ones. Got something. It's a white perch. A little bit better. Slightly better. Something bites now. There we go. Nice. Sometimes you just gotta ask for it. Yeah, that's a better one. Just an 11-incher though. Nope. Something picked it up on the drop. Something better here. Nice. Getting some good head shakes. Oh, this is a catfish, isn't it? What do we got here? Ooh, that is a catfish. Never mind. Thought it looked like a bowfin for a second, which would have been cool. What do we got here? Channel catfish? Always likely to bite the gulp. There we go. Oh man, I found a snag. Oh. And that's that for this spot. Anything that was still hanging around definitely just got spooked off. Pulling that thing off the bottom. Yeah, these guys are still hanging out over here. Good to know I've got a spot to come catch micro perch. Though I think in Maryland there's no size limit on white perch, so I could potentially keep that as bait if I felt like I had somewhere useful to drop it. Something a little better, just one of those small perch again though. Oh boy. Still tiny. Alright, well I just made a random cast up at the bank and I hooked something decent here. Oh, it's a catfish, of course. Here we go. that wind. Nice. That worked. That's like another 11 or so. Not any better, really. Ooh, there we go. Nice. Hey. There we go. That's a bit better. For sure. Nice. That's a chunky one. Hey. There we go. I want to measure him, but I gotta worry about this. And I did pick my two nicest perch right by this bush here, so that's what I'm focusing on right now. There we go. They're hitting it on the drop. These nice ones. So I was catching some fish in the lodge, but overall it was just too windy to fish. And stopped getting bites, so I'm just going to move on, see if I can't find another productive area. There's what we got biting. We should just a small perch, like I thought. Chill out. Tiny in 30-40 mile per hour winds. if we can't get another perch here. There we go. Out. Small ones here. Hey, look at that. That's something different. Oh, little bluegill. Ooh, there we go. Something. Hey, little pickerel. Whoa. This is the mixed bag spawn here. Jeez. Threw my minnow off. Man, well, I was hoping the wind might die down here in the afternoon as we get into the evening, since it's like 5:30 now, but that's not happening. If anything, the wind is just getting stronger. It's just blowing way too hard for me to want to fish right now. So I'm gonna call it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks, and catch you next time.